Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video will be a little bit interesting than the other ones. But first, before we get started, I'd like to introduce you to my aunt.
Hey, that's me!
And today we're going to be doing...
Today, we are going to do a little challenge called Baking Roulette. Basically, Charlotte will have the 4 basic ingredients that she can use. Flour, eggs. Then, I'm going to randomly pick 10 ingredients that will be numbered, and she has to then pick 4 numbers and use those 4 ingredients in her baking adventure.
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yes, let's
Okay.
excited!
It's your first look.
Okay.
So, we've got heavy whipping cream here, cereal, cheddar corn, cookie butter, pumpkin, avocado, everything but bagel seasoning, ham, soy sauce, and brown sugar. Yes. This is the one thing here that you're absolutely hoping that you choose.
Heavy whipping cream or pumpkin.
One ingredient that you're like, really hope I don't get that one.
Soy sauce. 6, 2, 9, and 1.
Cookie butter. 2.
Oh.
2,
Yay.
Right here. You got popcorn. Avocado. 6. Ham.
No.
Oh, ham is number 9.
Your ingredients that you're gonna make.
I'm not that excited.
Ham, eggs, your baking powder, white cheddar popcorn, canola oil, flour, cookie butter, and avocado. What are you thinking about?
Okay, I think that I'm going to do like a breaded ham thing with flour, egg wash, and popcorn crumbs and make a dip with avocado and cookie butter. Let's see.
All right.
So first, I'm going to prepare the breading part. So on this plate, I'm going to add in some flour. Okay, now time to prepare my egg wash. Now for the breaded part, I'm going to pulse up some popcorn. Now I'm going to pour some oil onto my hand. Okay, so now I got a couple pieces of ham and I'm going to roll it in flour. Now into my egg wash. And now into my popcorn. Okay, now I'm going to make the sauce. To my bowl, I'm going to add in avocado. And I'm going to mash. Now my last ingredient is cookie butter and I have to use this. So I'm going to add it to the avocado. Now give it a mix. Looks interesting. I'm going to put blobs of the dip around it. Final product. So this is a breaded ham with a avocado and cookie butter dip. So, all right, dig in.
That's actually pretty good.
No, wait, let me have to try it.
Honestly, the popcorn is like overpowering. Like that's all I taste.
Yeah.
The avocado cookie butter is really good.
It's good.
All right, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget videos every single Saturday and Wednesday. See you later.